Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 6G InternsShip Travel. Basically it is the 6th chapter of 2019. I am professional. I have already completed this complete course for many of my students many times, and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 16 step, 15 step. I can do this assignment step by step and you can do this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 6G InternsShip Travel downloaded with this project. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that required for this project. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is on the InternsShip by industry worksheet. Select the range P4 to F4, F10 and then use quick analysis tool to insert lines per line in the range G4 to FG10. So in this tab on the InternsShips by industry worksheet, we select the range V4 to F10 and use the quick analysis tool to insert lines per line in the range G4 to G10. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range B4 to F10. B4 to F10 is this one, and use quick analysis tool in the spark line, insert line spark count. So our step number 2 is completed. So in the step number 3, it is saying that format the spark line to show the high point and last point from the spark line style clearly in the first row applied second cell style. So in this tab we format the spark line to show the high point and the last point. So we go on our Excel worksheet, show high point and the last point, and in the style group click first row, click second cell style. So our step number 3 is completed. Our step number 4 is by using the data in the range A3 to F3 and A7 to F7, insert a line with marker chart for the internship available in the technology industry. Position the chart so that upper left corner of the chart aligned with the upper left corner of A13. So in this tab we select the range A3 to F3 and A7 to F7 to insert a line with marker chart. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range A3 to F3. A3 to F3 is this one, and 3 is this one, and A7 to F7, and A7 to F7 is this one. Insert a line with marker. So in the insert tab, in the recommended chart table, in the all chart, here is the line chart with marker. Click OK. So we insert the chart and cut the chart and paste into cell A13. We cut the chart and paste into cell A13. So our step number 4 is completed. So in this step number 5, it is saying that change the chart title to InternsShip available in technology. So in this step we change the chart title, so we select this one and chart title change with this one, click enter. So our step number 5 is completed. So in this step number 6, edit the vertex value axis to set the minimum to 35 and major units to 5 if necessary. So in this tab we edit the vertex value axis. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the value vertex axis, this one, and minimum bound to 35, minimum bound to 35 and major bound to 5, major is also 5. So our step number 6 is completed. So in this step number 7, format the plot area with the solid fill. In the last column click the second color. Format the chart area with the solid fill. In the last column click the fourth color. So in this tab we format the plot area first, and second we format the chart area. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the plot area, this one, and fill with solid color, solid fill. In the last column click second color, this one, and also format the chart area with solid fill. Click the chart area with solid fill and color to last column, click fourth color, last column click fourth column, this one. So our step number 7 is completed. So in the step number 8, is saying that insert a linear trend line and change the width of the line to 2.5 pt. Click the cell A1 to deselect the chart. Close any displayed format pane. So in this tab we insert a linear trend line and change the width to line to 2.5 pt. So we go on our Excel worksheet, click at any point, this one, and right click here, no, in the this one, right click here and add trend line, linear trend line, edit also linear trend line and line weight to 2.5 pt, and in the line fill and line click the weight to 2.5 pt. So and click cell A1 to deselect the chart. So we select A1 to deselect the chart and close any displayed format pane. So we closed any displayed format pane. So our step number 8 is completed. So I have done 8 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 14 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete code for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And my request is to you, please subscribe my channel.